After 50 questions, our next question is 7th question. So types of sources. So basically voltage and currents are our major sources, but here we have two different types of sources we have. So it's mean those current and voltage sources we can divide into two categories. So that one is a independent source, another one is a dependent source. So independent source is a not depends upon any other source, and dependent source in the sense it depends upon the independent source. Okay, independent sources we have voltage source and current source. So voltage sources are two types based on the power supply. One is a DC power supply, another one is a AC power supply. The symbols given here for a DC and for a AC. And at the same time, independent current sources also we have two categories. So one is a upward direction of flow of current and a downward direction of flow of current here given. If you feel this information is worthy and useful for you in the sense, subscribe my channel and then refer to your friends also. Your friends studying some other colleges, you have to refer this channel for your friends also. They will also use this opportunity. Thank you students, and all the best for your external exam.